Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem number 4 based on rules of integration of chapter integration. The problem number 4 is integral 3x square minus 2x plus 5 whole thing divided by x into root x into dx. Now let's see the solution. First of all, given problem we denoted as a I. It means I is equal to integral 3x square minus 2x plus 5 whole thing divided by x into root x into dx. So is equal to integral 3x square minus 2x plus 5 we write as it is. Now the part which present in the denominator, that is x into root x. Root x means x raised half. So by using binomial theorem, binomial rules, this can be written as x raised 1 plus half, that is x raised 3 by 2 in the denominator. And if you take in the numerator, so this can be written as x raised minus 3 by 2 into dx. So the next step will be integral. Now we write 3 as it is. Now x square into x raised minus 3 by 2. So that gives us x raised 2 minus 3 by 2. Then minus 2 we write as it is. X raised 1 into x raised minus 3 by 2. So that gives us x raised 1 minus 3 by 2. Then plus 5 into x raised minus 3 by 2 whole bracket complete into dx. Now the next step will be integral 3 into x raised. Now 2 minus 3 by 2 on cross multiplying we get 4 minus 3 upon 2. It means x raised 1 by 2. Then minus 2. Now x raised 1 minus 3 by 2 on cross multiplying we get 2 minus 3 upon 2, that is x raised minus 1 by 2. Then plus 5 into x raised minus 3 by 2 bracket complete into dx. Now by using rules of integration, this can be written as integral 3 into x raised 1 by 2 dx, then minus integral 2 into x raised minus 1 by 2 dx, and plus 5 into x raised minus 3 by 2 dx. Now here we take constant term outside the integral sign. So above integrals can be written as 3 into integral x raised 1 by 2 dx minus 2 into integral x raised minus 1 by 2 dx plus 5 into integral x raised minus 3 by 2 dx. So that equal to, now here we have to use the power rules of integration. That is, integral x raised n dx is equal to x raised n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, provided n not equal to minus 1. So by using this rule, above integration can be written as 3 into x raised 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. Then minus 2 into integral by using same rule can be written as x raised minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 5 into x raised minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1, and finally plus c, where c represent constant of integration. So is equal to 3 into x raised, now 1 by 2 plus 1 on cross multiplying gives us 3 by 2, whole thing divided by 3 by 2, then minus 2x raised minus a plus 1 on cross multiplying gives us 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2, then plus 5 into x raised minus 3 by 2 plus 1 on cross multiplying gives us x raised minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2 plus c. On simplifying further, this can be written as 3 into 2 upon 3 into x raised 3 by 2, then minus 2 into 1 by 2, if we take in numerator, can be written as 2 by 1 into x raised 1 by 2. Then plus minus gives us minus, then 5 into 1 by 2, if we take in numerator, can be written as 2 by 1 into x raised minus 1 by 2 plus c. So now here we cancel 3 from numerator and denominator. So the next step will be 2 into x raised 3 upon 2, then minus 2 into 2, that gives us 4 x raised 1 by 2, and then minus 5 into 2, 10 into x raised minus 1 by 2 plus c. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.